All right, we just bought these. These are multi-pattern nozzles by Orbit Max. And we're gonna try them out because I'm gonna show you what the problem is here. Let me set it down. And here is my old one here. You follow me? Right there. And I'm gonna turn it on. And you'll see what's going on here. So that's my problem, right? And that sucks. So we gotta switch it to the new one, right? I guess I could pull this rubber band off. I'm hoping that this one is a better hose. All right, so let's do it. Let's switch them. Step one is getting this thing off of here, which shouldn't be too hard, right? It's leaking. It's not leaking from the bottom. It's leaking from this thing here. You see that? That's where it's leaking from. I'm wondering if I could just get it. I could tighten it, but when I do that, it doesn't tighten. You know what I mean? It just keeps going around. So it just keeps leaking. So that one's done. All right, here we are. This one. It's got a washer in there. You want to make sure your washer's in there. And then all you got to do is just put it on. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I just hand tighten it. All right, that's that. I'm going to just go ahead and open this up. This is how you turn it on and off. Right here, that's on. Let me turn it off first, and I'm going to go ahead and turn the water on. Hopefully we don't get any leaks. Oh, so far so good. Right now, for it to work, I just go like that. Bam. And then you can switch these, look. You can see the different ones that come out. Look at that. Man, I like this. Okay, I'm going to come out here. I think you can see it from here. So this one is on full. This is what it looks like, right? Here's mist. Jet. Center. I don't know what that is. Well, that's like a cone. Shower. Angle. Now this is going to go down. Like a down angle. Flat. Full. Mist. Jet. Center. Cone. Shower. Angle. Flat. Full. Mist. Jet. And done. And that's it right there. Turn it on. Ka-ching! Man, it squirts. It's a pretty good one. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.